Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to stake Pyth on Pyth network and then how to participate on governance in the governance. So in the governance there are different projects and then you need to vote on all those projects. So first of all, let's go back to the staking. So I will share the link in the description. For the staking you need to have Phantom wallet and have some Pyth in it, and also some Solana as well to pay as a gas fee, because Pyth is on Solana network. So install the Phantom wallet from the Chrome browser, from the Chrome Play Store, and then we need to select the wallet Phantom, connect, and PyStaker and governor can participate now map. Okay, so let's close, and I'm gonna stake maximum. And if you want to unstake, so just make sure that it gets eligible to you can unstake after 7 days. That's one thing. And then after on every Thursday you can participate in the governance token, like you are eligible to participate in for the voting in the governance. I will show you after the unstaking. Okay, so I will hit stake, confirm. It will take few seconds. Okay, you can see that we have a stake here and we can unstake after 7 days. Okay, once this is stake, so you can see here on governance, you can on every Thursday you will be eligible to vote. So for now, since I am not here, I'm not able to vote here, and also I think there is no active proposal either, so that's why we cannot vote at the moment. But yeah, in future or after a week, once I will be eligible, maybe there will be some new proposal and then I can vote for the vote and participate in that. So that was just a simple tutorial, and if you want to unstake, just you need to come here, staking on Pyth, and you need to just unstake it and then withdraw, and then it will be withdrawn to your wallet, and from there you can again send back to the exchange or wherever you want. So that was a quick tutorial. If you like the video, please like the video and share with your friends, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.